Yeah. Yes, yeah. SCeNaRiO. 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 One time. Come on. Yeah. BuN time. BuN time. Yeah. Grab a BuN. Everybody grab a BuN. BuN time.
That's right. Special dedication going out to Sweet Candle right here.
Come on.
And Miss Rhonda and Miss LaDonna. We want to thank them all for stopping through here partying with us tonight, baby. Some more long-time friends of ours. Not yet. Yeah. Which one?
SCeNaRiO. SCeNaRiO. BuN time.
Yeah. Woo! Thank you for stopping through, Miss Candle. Always a pleasure to see you, baby.
Come on. Come on. Donna got it.
Y'all say a little D. Nah, we ain't gonna get them 14, 30, 100s up in here.
SCeNaRiO. SCeNaRiO.
We got the London Woods crew thanking us stopping through here. And all the Indian Queen, cause they up in the house tonight too, baby. Some of the Uptown crew got their versatility up in the house tonight, baby.
Mr. Clean.
And Sweet Peaches right here. Yeah. What's up, baby?
Come on. Come on. Yeah.
JT, hanging that way in place. Thank you for showing your face tonight.
Come on.
Yeah, we gonna hit you on your 5 pages. We gonna let you know when it's time to come on up and get your freak on, baby. That's right. Ain't that right, Sean? Good to see you, man.
SCeNaRiO. SCeNaRiO.
Yeah.
It's BuN time. BuN time. Hey, pocket. BuN time. Everybody grab a BuN. Grab a BuN, please. BuN time. Hey, got a bite.
Is that Vivian?
Nigga heights, nigga heights.
Is that you, baby? Happy Valentine's Day, girl. Yes, indeed. Did you bring up Miss Robin with you? We got the big Rio. Let the cord go. We got you, baby. We got that big Rio. We even got about you fellas. As well as these Tiny Wave honeys that we even got about that's been partying with us up front all night long, baby. Sweet Nicole and Misha, Miss Sean and Sweet Nita over here. Thank you so much for coming through partying with us tonight, y'all.
Grab a BuN, please. Yeah, grab a BuN. BuN time.
Happy birthday going out to my man Jeff. Way place up in the house tonight, y'all.
Funky that way. Come again.
What?
We got your 1430.
Also want to thank Miss Kitty and Miss Trina over there for stopping through partying with us tonight too, baby. And Sweet Beverly and Miss Donna. Happy birthday, Donna.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. The 24 Mob over in the house tonight. What?
Nigga heights, nigga heights.
Uh-huh. I see you over there, Tina. Tina and Miss Nita. Ah, what?
Nigga heights, nigga heights. Nigga heights, nigga heights. Nigga heights, nigga heights. Nigga heights, nigga heights. Nigga heights, nigga heights.
Also going out to the ice cream honeys up in here tonight, y'all. They party with us tonight, baby. We got the big. I got you. We don't need none of that.
SCeNaRiO.
We got the big 3-0.
One time. We got your Wayne Place. And Big Joe. Yo, Big Joe, turn the party out.
Yeah, don't do that no more, man.
Mike, Silver City.
Now he alright, just don't do it no more. Thank you. I said that we got the big 3-0. We already got the big 3-0. Yeah. But don't rub the mic, please.
SCeNaRiO.
We got a Minnesota Avenue over here too. And we got the Southwest crew in here. Hey, Donnell, one side for Southwest.
In the morning, the pancake house.
Say what?
4 in the morning, we'll be rolling to my house. 5 in the morning, the lights go out. Come on. 6 in the morning, watch me turn that pussy out.
Listen.
7 in the morning, she'll be calling the cab. 8 in the morning, talking about the pussy hand. Come on. 9 in the morning, then you just getting home. Talking about the overnight scenario. 3 in the morning, the pancake house. Come on. 4 in the morning, she'll be rolling to my house.
What?
5 in the morning, the lights go out. Come on. 6 in the morning, watch me turn that pussy out. 7 in the morning, she'll be calling the cab.
What?
8 in the morning, talking about the bushy hand. 9 in the morning, then she just getting home. Talking about the overnight scenario. And shouldn't dance.
Say what?
The overnight scenario.
Hanging out, Miss Candle.
Hey, look at Heist.
Thank you, baby.
The overnight scenario. And sign away. The overnight scenario.
Hanging out, Miss Deanna.
1430.
Hey, Donnell, one more time for time by Deanna. Come on.
3 in the morning,
What?
pancake house. Come on. 4 in the morning, she'll be rolling to my house. 5 in the morning, the lights go out. Hey. 6 in the morning, watch me turn that pussy out.
What?
7 in the morning, she'll be calling the cab. 8 in the morning, talking about the pussy hand. 9 in the morning, then you just getting home. Talking about the overnight scenario. 3 in the morning, the pancake house. 4 in the morning, we'll be rolling to my house. 5 in the morning, the lights go out.
Yikes.
6 in the morning, watch me turn that pussy out. 7 in the morning, she'll be calling the cab.
Good Lord.
8 in the morning, talking about the pussy hand.
Go, baby.
9 in the morning, then you just getting home. Talking about the overnight scenario. My man Ray.
Say what?
The overnight scenario. And John Gotti. The overnight scenario. The overnight scenario.
We got them Trinidad honeys.
Hey, Ike Mike.
And 36
The
crew.
overnight scenario.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, we got the 36 crew. We ain't forgot about you,
Check
man.
my twins.
Feel that. Right away, nigga. Say what? Say what, y'all? Who are you? Who is the crew? Who are you? And who is the crew? We got the big 3-0. We know you're good to go. The big 3-0. Say what, y'all? Who are you? Young Bud. Who is the crew? Who are you? And who is the crew? The tidal wave honeys. They in the house tonight. The Conators honeys. Looking at us, sight scenario. What? Say what?
The overnight scenario. I shouldn't dance. The overnight scenario.
Look at that girl.
The overnight scenario.
Oh, look at that, baby. Oh, Also, special happy Valentine going out to Mr. Ressa. Hello, baby. Happy Valentine's Day, girl. Thank you for stopping through here tonight. Yeah. Hello, Marcella. Happy Valentine. Geraldine Hunted up in the house tonight. What? Woo. We hear you, baby. Yeah, and Sweet Isha right here. And Miss Keisha hanging out to Russell. Sweet Peaches up in the party. Also, we got all the Southwest crew. Want to thank them for stopping through partying with us tonight, baby. Hey, Donnell, one more time for Miss Tasha and that crew. Say what?
4 in the morning, we'll be rolling to my house. 5 in the morning, the lights go out. 6 in the morning, watch me turn that pussy out. 7 in the morning, she'll be calling the cab.
Sing it, baby.
8 in the morning, talking about the bus she had.
Sing it.
9 in the morning, now she just getting home. Talking about the overnight scenario. 3 in the morning, the pancake house. 4 in the morning, we'll be rolling to my house. 5 in the morning, the lights go out. 6 in the morning, watch me turn that pussy out. 7 in the morning, she'll be calling the cab. 8 in the morning, talking about the pussy hand. 9 in the morning, then you just getting home. Talking about the overnight scenario. The overnight scenario. Everybody, the overnight scenario.
We got your cat daddy.
Silver City.
What? Hanging at 501.
The overnight scenario. Hey, Sweet Tita.
Yeah.
The overnight scenario. Hey, Southwest. The overnight
Hanging at the pole.
Hey, Mr. Clean. The overnight scenario.
Wait a minute. Yeah. Thank you, baby. Thank you, baby.
Sweet pea, honey, sweet Isha and Peaches.
That's right.
Heard that.
Come on.
Heard that.
Happy Valentine's Day to you too, baby.
Heard that.
And thank you for coming out here partying with us. All these lovely honeys. We got your casino. Get your groove on, man.
Come on.
Also want to thank the Hilltop Honeys for doing their thing tonight too, baby. Yeah. Do it, girl.
Live that scenario.
We got some nigga heist.
Come on.
What?
Scenario.
What? You know that, baby. You know we gonna get some room for you up here. One more time for Miss Peaches over here, Donnell. Come on.
3 in the morning, the pancake house.
Come on.
4 in the morning, we'll be rolling to my house. 5 in the morning, the lights go out. 6 in the morning, watch me turn that pussy out. 7 in the morning, she'll be calling the cab.
Say what?
8 in the morning, talking about the pussy hand. 9 in the morning, now she just getting home. Talking about the overnight scenario.
What?
3 in the morning, the pancake house.
Come on.
4 in the morning, she'll be rolling to my house. 5 in the morning, the lights go out. 6 in the morning, watch me turn that pussy out. 7 in the morning, she'll be calling the cab. 8 in the morning, talking about the pussy hand. 9 in the morning, now you just getting home. Talking about the overnight scenario.
What you doing over there,
Hey, look
Peaches?
at heist. The overnight scenario.
Hey, what you doing,
Silver
Isha?
City. The overnight scenario. And Project 30. The overnight scenario. Will of Rose. The overnight scenario.
Where you at, Jermaine?
SCeNaRiO.
SCeNaRiO. SCeNaRiO.
SCeNaRiO.
We got some rain place.
SCeNaRiO.
Let it ride,
We got
baby.
the Joe. My man Joe
Let it
got the
ride,
rain.
SCeNaRiO.
At Super City Mall and Wayne Place.
SCeNaRiO. SCeNaRiO. SCeNaRiO.
Yeah! Some of the 1998 shit. Yeah! Yeah!
Right away.
Yeah! Some of the 1998 shit.
Trying to keep me from getting tangled up, baby. Hanging that
Come
kitty.
on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Say what, baby?
Yeah!
Some of the 1998 shit.
Yeah!
Sweet Nisha and Peaches. I didn't hear what you said.
Yeah!
Some of the 1998 shit.
Yeah! Yeah!
That's right.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Some of the 1998 shit.
Watch them honeys right now. Hanging that Peaches.
Come on.
Yeah. Yeah.
I can't wait to
Yikes.
get it all. Can't wait. Can't wait to get it all.
Oh, girl, you better not do that.
To get
You
it
better
all.
not do that. You better not do that, girl. You about to get me excited up here. Say what?
I can't wait to get it all. I can't wait to get it all.
Wait a minute. Get your groove on, Kitty. You a freedom. Hello to Big Guy.
Come on.
Hello to Russell. What?
1998 shit.
Hanging that big.
Come on. Come on. Throw it up. Throw it up.
Yeah, I don't remember the solo part. Get your groove on, Tama.
Come on.
Sweet Tama and Sweet Deanna here. Get that body on tonight. Don't forget about Wednesday night down at the club, 1213 K Street, baby. And all honeys are free before 11:30, y'all.
Come on. Come on.
Yeah, make sure y'all come on down there. Hanging at Russell. Thank you for stopping through tonight, baby. Always a pleasure to party with you. You too, Isha. What? Wah!
Come on. Come on.
Man, I want to thank all them Silver City honeys and all the big 3-0 for coming through here tonight, too, baby. I should have known that was you hanging at Reds. My main man Reds and John Gotti. Hey, Donnell! One time!
Now I can make you go ooh when I wanna, when I wanna, get the power when I wanna. And if you wanna, I can bring you strong light. Fuck the candle, we can roll rugged tonight. Hey yo, panty weather, can't be nothing better. All like a rock game, shout like cheddar.
Yeah!
I think the Gucci with the scarf made by Gucci is true. Things I do for you. Hey yo, I got the hand to the angle cup ready. Turn up the heat so we get real sweaty. Or outside in the cold snowy weather. I don't give a fuck cause I'm down for whatever. I be your quiet storm, keep you warm, rub you down all night with some private night. And I might just nibble if you need me. Call me Dr. Feel Good, believe me.
Say what?
So what you want, baby? Hey yo,
Tell me what you want.
and what you want, baby?
Some of that
1998 shit. And what you want, baby? Hey yo, tell me what you want. And what you want, baby? Some of that 1998 shit. And what you want, baby? Hey yo, tell me what you want. And what you want, baby? Some of that 1998 shit. And what you want, baby?
Tell me what you want. What you want, baby? Shorty, one, two, go up and down. Ride it like a pony, my tenderoni, some money call me up when you want to bone me. Never lonely, come and show me you my one and only. I turned around and she called me Tony Corleone. Screaming at, hitting that, swinging like a bat. I turned around and what the deal, chicken running back. Track stop, skirt now, pulling down the figure. Rockin' sounds on the ground, can me get the figure. I can't hold up, giving up, you never seen before. We in the kitchen, the numbers and rockin' on the floor. Down beats, the finest thing, fixing in the east. One love, so drop the gas and let the drama cease. Hey, mommy got game, know what you looking for. Hit me on with the stash and take them back for more. One kiss, no speech, get the cash, baby. Sex it up in the mix, from a nigga crazy. What you want, baby? Tell me what you want. What you want, baby? Some of that 1998 shit. What you want, baby? Tell me what you want. What you want, baby? Some of that 1998 shit. What you want, baby?
Tell me what you want.
What you want, baby? Some of that 1998 shit. What you want, baby?
Hey yo,
Tell me what you want.
what you want, baby?
Some of that 19 bigger. Yeah, we got this on, eh? We saw you over there. Thank y'all for coming through here tonight. All the southeast, southwest crew up in here every night, baby. And you two pieces of Nisha. Yeah. And we got that high street crew, baby. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Come on. What? Soul Lake crew, yeah, we saw little Bugsy. We just saw little, yeah, there you go. Hanging that Bugsy. Get your groove on, man. Come on. Woo. Excuse me, man. I know you keep getting tangled up.
Yeah, I like that.
We got this sweet back. We got you, man. Turn that light down.
Yo,
Hey, Donnell, one more time. For the honeys. Hit it.
I wanna get that power when I wanna.
And if you wanna, I can bring this up right.
Fuck this candles.
We can roll rugged tonight. Hey,
What?
Danny Weather, baby,
baby.
hard like a rock and sharp like cheddar. I took the Gucci with a scarf made by Gucci is true. Things I do for you. Hey yo, I got the hands to the angle cup ready. Turn up the heat so we can get real sweaty. Or outside in the cold snowy weather. I don't give a fuck cause I'm down for whatever. I be your quiet storm, keep you warm, rub you down just right with some private night. And I might just nibble if you need me. Call me Dr. Feel Good, believe me.
Go up and down. Running like a pony, my tenderoni, some phony call me up when you want to want me. Never lonely, come and show me you my one and only. I turned around, then she called me Shorty Corleone. Screaming at, hitting that, what the deal, she came running back. Track stop, skirt now, feeling in the vigor. I'm rocking sounds underground, let me get your figure. I get a love, giving up you never seen before. We in the kitchen and I bet you rocking on the floor. Downbeat, the finest thing, fixing in the east. One also drop them gas and let the drama cease. Hey, mommy got game, know what you looking for. Hit me on with the stash and then go back for more. One kiss, no speech, get the cash, baby. Let you know, hear the beat,
Break down. You ready to get your freak on, girl? We got you, girl. One more time, Jack. Yeah. What's up, Miss D? Hello, baby. Say what? And we want to thank Miss Deanna. Yes, Lord. Her and Miss TiME. Bojack breakdown. What? Wind it up over there, baby. Do it, TiME. Say what? We got you, baby. Do your thing, Isha. Doing sweet features right here. Hanging out there. Girl, these honeys up in the house tonight, y'all. Thank you, baby. Get on this stuff. Bojack, what? Sharp road up in the house tonight, ladies. Glad to see you tonight, fellas. Bojack breakdown. And Miss Pam and Nene get that freak on over there. Hello, ladies. Make sure y'all tell Lisa we said what's up. All them 36 honeys. Bojack breakdown. Get your groove on over there, kitty. You a sweet singer. Bojack breakdown. Sweet Nina and sweet Sonia, sweet Michelle, y'all, and sweet Vicky, y'all. Tidal Wave, Silver City, y'all. Wayne Place, my man Joe, y'all. A nigga Heist, Dynamite, y'all. Sweet Bitches, y'all. Sweet E, y'all. My man Rocket, my man Rez, y'all. John Gotti, y'all. And Wayne Place, y'all. W Street, y'all. And Will Road, Lace and Lane, Uptown, Southwest, y'all. Sweet Bitches, Fellas. What? What's the deal? The honeys is freaking. What's the deal? The honeys is freaking, man. Y'all need to be freaking.
Don't start that bullshit. Get the fuck out there with that bullshit.
Thank you, baby.
Thank you. That's
and my man Country was freaking.
Come on.
Y'all got that thing together yet?
Come on, get that shit together, y'all.
Yeah.
He's trying to get that motherfucking freak on.
Come on.
Miss Kim. Going out to all the Trinidad honey. Yeah.
We got you, Kitty.
Don't stop, don't stop, no. Keep it coming.
We got you, Bahama.
We got the sweet back.
Keep it coming.
Bounce Jack breakdown. Go ahead, girl.
Voice on, Sean.
Keisha, Tamara, Davita. Yeah. All them Trinidad honey up in the house tonight, baby. Hanging at Deanna. You stay right there. You and Tamara stay right there, baby. Also going out to Miss Vivian over there. Happy Valentine's Day, Vivian. BoJack breakdown. Ouch. You better be careful. You gonna get yourself in some trouble.
She's the roster.
Go, baby.
All right. Yeah.
GLD, honey.
Woo.
GLD, honey. She's the roster.
Go, baby.
What's up, Shine? Southwest crew over here. And Social Quarter Hunters, baby. Yeah. It's her favorite song right here, man. Ain't that right, Peter?
Go, baby.
Woo!
I got you, Sean, Sean.
BoJack breakdown. Woo! I hear you, girl.
Go, baby.
BoJack breakdown. Yeah, we see all that Southwest crew. And the South Beach too, baby. We got the big 3-0, baby. We even got big 3-0 goes round and round. We even got about you. Yesterday say what? Big 3-0 goes round and round, y'all. Big 3-0 goes round and round. Do it, baby. BoJack, what?
City, Wayne Place,
Yeah.
Sweet Vivian, and Geraldino, and Big Joey, and Liga Heisen, Junior Mafia, and Carmel, Sweet Netta, and my Hardy Brothers, y'all. Will the Road, Trinidad, Sweet Gilman, Sweet Lisa, my man Tommy, Sweet Kia, Cindy Aiken, Big Chucky, Cisco, Dynamite, Liga Heisen, Trinidad, Jay Ronda, Boy Tigger, Indian Queen, my man Amade, Liga Heisen, Saratoga, Southwest, Southside, Sweet
BoJack
Gilman,
breakdown. Hanging at Sean though. Thank you for coming, baby. Also, Sweet Tasha right here. What? And Miss Kim back here getting her freak on, baby. Hey, that's Tamika. Yeah, we got the shirt roll. And Sweet Neymar. Do it, girl. Say what? We got the girl named Honey, baby.
You don't get some.
BoJack, what? Also, thank the Mahoney brothers for stopping through, baby.
She's the roster.
What? West, Southwest. Do it, baby. Bojack breakdown. Do it, Bill. Rock it. Say what? All right. Wind it up, baby. Wind it up, girl. Yeah. Do it, Nita.
Yeah.
By yourself, Bojack. Hit it.
A little high sweet deal, sweet
country.
country,